the channel where we help you perfect your pronunciation. In today's episode, we'll be focusing on the word foreshadow. Let's get started. The word foreshadow is made up of 2 syllables. Let's break it down. The first syllable is for. It is pronounced with a long O sound, like the word for. Now let's move on to the second syllable, shadow. It begins with the sh sound, just like the word shy. Repeat after me, sh. Now, let's add the rest of the syllable. It is pronounced as dow with a short O sound, similar to the word cow. Repeat after me, dow. Now let's put the 2 syllables together. Repeat after me, foreshadow. Foreshadow. Host, excellent. You've got it. The word foreshadow means to give an indication or hint about something that will happen in the future. It's a fascinating word with an intriguing meaning. Well, that wraps up today's pronunciation guide. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect. Stay tuned for more pronunciation tips and tricks. See you next time.